Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best spicy apps for your Fire TV sticks. The ones which are really easy to set up and easy to use. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app code downloader to your Fire Stick. You can actually get downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. You just go to search and start typing downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you click on downloader, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Fire TV stick device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So to set up downloader, we need to go to settings by clicking the My Fire TV button, and then from here you'll have to turn on developer options on your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. You just have to click on About, select Fire TV stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That is in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So when you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging. Then you have to go to install on apps. And now from here, all you gotta do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go straight back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. We open it up, and here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Brazil right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go straight back to the list of apps on your device, open it, and then of course go to downloader. Open it up as well. And now, what we have to do in here is on the left side menu, make sure to click on home, and now open that search bar, and we'll have to enter the code. So the code for the first app will be 3875510. So once again, 3875510. That is the first code that you have to enter, and then you gotta click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Stick. And now the download of the first app will start. So this application is probably the best one of those which we are going to review today, and it's probably the best adult app for Fire Sticks overall, because it's really easy to use, it's got a great user interface, and it's got millions of movies inside. So that's a great application, and the download of that app has already started for us. So we just wait a bit until it downloads. Then you have to click on install and wait until the app gets installed to your Fire Stick. And after that, don't click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because here you'll have the option to delete unnecessary installation files from your device. So click on done and then delete and delete once again. And now when you go to the list of apps on your device, here it is, you can open it, and there is the first app that we have downloaded. By the way, they also have a similar application like that for the iPhone devices. So if you have an iPhone and you want to get a spicy app for your Apple device as well, you can Google how to get such an app to your device. And now actually what I also recommend you to do is click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. So enjoy the app, it's truly amazing. And now we go straight back to the loader, and I'll show you how to get a couple more amazing spicy apps for your Fire Stick. So you open the loader again, erase that previous code as it is not needed anymore, and now we'll have to enter another code, which will be 863078. So once again, 863078, click on go and wait until it starts downloading. And here it is, the download process has started, so we just wait a bit until it finishes. And after that, like previously, we click on install, and now the second amazing app will be installed to our device. Then, like previously, we click on done and make sure to erase the unnecessary installation files from your Fire Stick. And now when you go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick device, you will open it. And then there's the second app that we have downloaded for you. So let's put it up front. And now you got 2 amazing apps on your TV device. Here they are. And now I got one more similar app for you. So we head straight back to downloader, erase that old code, and now the last code today will be 438713. So once again, 438713, click on go, and wait for the download to start. And here you go, the download was really fast. Then just wait a bit until you get that option to install the application. Then you click on done and delete unnecessary files. Now you already know what we're gonna do is, of course, we're going to go to the list of apps, wait a bit, and then there's the last application. So we put it up front as well, and now you got 3 amazing apps on your Fire Stick. So enjoy the apps, and don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and anonymous online. Enjoy, and see you next time. Bye bye.